Hello everyone, Dr. Hay here. Today I'm going to share with you a 40% custom keyboard, Adélie. According to its author, Adélie, Adélie was named after the Adélie penguin. Yeah, that cute, cuddly yet ferocious little guy. But do you know that Adélie penguins are named after French explorer Jules de Montjou's wife when he found them for the first time in 1840? Adélie is a 40% gasket mounted keyboard. Basically, you take out the number section of 60% and you end up with this layout. Keyboard itself took some inspiration from the classic CA66. Sideways resemble that of Q100. This keyboard feels rounded. Lines and arcs meet so naturally. You can see the PVD sideways has shining lines from back, top, and bottom. What a beautiful design! The PVD coated brass weights looks gorgeous. And since the bottom logo weight and the sideways are all PVD coated brass weights, they are absolutely fingerprint magnets. This particular Adélie is red anodized aluminum version, which is a combination of red and gold, just like Ironman armor. The anodized aluminum surface is smooth to the touch. The mirror-like PVD finish of the brass weights really shines. This tiny keyboard consists of 3 parts of brass weights, so it feels really heavy and dense in the hands. When using a brass plate, it measures about 2.1 kilos without the keycaps. Let's open it up and take a look at the inside. Although the group buy ended in October 2020, Adélie is up to date with pour-on gaskets. The owner of this unit bought 2 sets of plates. The one I prefer is the brass plates with holy panels and no pour-on inserts. But it does have tape mod. And I have to say, I really like the sound of this combo. Clean and clacky. It is definitely different from the PC pour-on combos, which is now used by almost every board. Alright, time for some typing tests. Since I don't have the space bars here, I'm not gonna try to type any numbers. Adélie is a well-designed, cute little keyboard. It is on the pricey side because of the contours and the PVD brass weights. Nonetheless, gorgeous looking and feeling board. Apex 13's next 65% layout keyboard is up for interest check now. It is called the Gentoo. Right, another penguin. Do you know that Gentoo is the fastest penguin both in the sea and on the land? Enough of the trivia. I'm definitely gonna save up for this penguin keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing for more future videos about keyboards. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!